In this video, we're going to look at how to convert common fractions to terminating decimals. We're going to divide it into two types. For the first type, our fractions have got denominators of 10, 100, 1000, etc. Our first example is 3/10. The fraction bar has got the same effect as division, so 3/10 can be written as 3 divided by 10. One of the quick strategy to divide numbers by 10, 100, 1000 is as follows. So for 3 divided by 10, we write 3, put the decimal point at the end. Since there's 1, 0, we're going to move the decimal point one place to the left and put the decimal point there, so that 3/10 is the same as 0.3. Next, we have got 500. This is the same as 5 divided by 100. So we're going to write 5 with the decimal point at the right. Since there are two zeros, we're going to move the decimal point 2 places to the left and fill in the gaps with 0. So 500 is the same as 0.05. Next, we have got 312 over 1000. This is the same as 312 divided by 1000. So we're going to write 312 with the decimal point at the end. Since there were three zeros, we're going to move the decimal point 3 places to the left. And so we're going to get 0.312. Our next example is 3500. This is the same as 35 divided by 100. So we're going to write 35 with the decimal point at the end. Since there are two zeros, we're going to move the decimal point 2 places to the left. So 3500 is the same as 0.35. Our next example is 2 3/10. Here we've got the whole part and the fractional part. So this is the same as 2 wholes plus 3 divided by 10. For 3 divided by 10, we write 3, decimal at the end. Since there's 1 0, we're going to move the decimal point one place to the left. So we have got 2 plus 0.3, and this is equal to 2.3. Then we have got 8, 12 over 1000. This is the same as 8 wholes plus 12 divided by 1000. So 12 divided by 1000, since there are three zeros, we're going to move the decimal point 1, 2, 3, 3 places to the left, fill in the gaps with 0. So we have 8 plus 0.012, and so as a final decimal, this is 8.012. For the next set of examples, our fractions don't have denominators of 10, 100, or 1000. However, they can be easily converted to 10, 100, or 1000. Let's start off with 4/5. You can see that 5 isn't 10, 100, or 1000, but what we can do is we can multiply the top and the bottom by 2, so that 4/5 gets converted to 8/10, and as you saw from the last slide, this is equal to 0.8. One decimal place, 1 0. Next, we have got 3/4. We can multiply the top by 25 and the bottom by 25, and this is going to convert it to 75 over 100, and this is equivalent to 0.75 as a decimal. 2 zeros, 2 decimal places. Next, we've got 13 over 20. This time we can multiply the top and the bottom by 5. This is going to convert it to 65 over 100, and this is equivalent to 0.65 as a decimal. 2 zeros, 2 decimal places. Our next example is 3 over 25. Again, we can multiply the top and the bottom by 4. This will convert it to 12 over 100, and as a decimal, this is 0.12. 2 zeros, 2 decimal places. Next, we have got 2 3/50. Again, we have got 2 wholes and 3/50. So with the fractional part, we can multiply the top and the bottom by 2. So we can rewrite this as 2 600, and this is equivalent to 2.06. 2 zeros, 2 decimal places. And our last example, we've got 3 1/8. With 1/8, we can multiply the top and the bottom by 125. So this is equivalent to 3 125 over 1000. And as a decimal, this is 3.125. 3 zeros, 3 decimal places. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you guys learned something from that. If you are interested in videos on this topic or other topics, please check out our channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. We release videos weekly across various math topics, and we would love to see you all in the next one. Bye for now.